Hi, Chris Henderson here. Einstein called quantum mechanics spooky action at a distance. What he was talking about is what today is known as entanglement, where two or more particles are entangled with each other in what's called a wave function. But here's the spooky part. No matter how far apart in the universe those particles are, the instant one is observed, they both know everything about the other particle, seemingly violating relativity's law that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. We're going to examine the concept of entanglement here with some playing cards. For our particles, we're going to use the four aces. There's one, there's two, there's three, and there's all four aces, okay? The four aces are our particles. We're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 other cards. It doesn't matter what they are as long as we just got 4 cards here. Get the deck a cut and put it over there. 4 aces for the particles, and then just 4 random cards over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to separate these particles, these aces, and we're going to separate them by just 1 card to start with. So we'll put a random card, an ace, a random card, ace, random, ace, random, ace. Each ace, each particle is separated by just 1 card. But in an instant, if we just take off the top 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, those 4 aces become entangled and immediately join the ace of spades. Leaving, of course, just random cards over here. So we'll place the random cards behind a random card. We'll place all the aces behind the ace of spades. We're going to separate those aces a little bit further just by moving them over here. But it doesn't matter because in an instant, what was a random card becomes an ace, meaning these former aces just become random cards. And it doesn't matter how many times we move them. The aces will always become entangled with the aces. Well, these will just remain random cards. Move them one more time. This becomes an ace. What was an ace just becomes any other card. No aces over here. And that's because all 4 aces are entangled over here. We're going to separate them further still. All right, let me show you here. We'll place the ace up there, the other 3 aces down here. We'll place 3 random cards on top of each ace. Now it's important to remember that the ace of spades has absolutely no other aces on it. That's because the other 3 aces are all down here at the bottom of the pile. So we'll place that ace facing that way with 1, 2, 3 cards on top of it. The ace in the middle we'll place facing that way with 1, 2, 3 cards on top of it. The 4th and final ace faces that way with 1, 2, 3 cards there. Let's see if we can get some entanglement going instantly because the ace is gone. The ace is gone. The ace is gone. All the aces gone from down here. Only to become entangled with the ace of spades up here. And they all join together. Let's separate them one last time, even further still from the ace of spades. Just like before, we'll place 1, 2, 3 random cards on top of each ace. The ace of spades we'll place in the middle of the deck, right over there. Give a snap, and instantly the ace is gone from over here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, no ace. Once again, instantly, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, no ace. And instantly, the ace is gone. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 with no aces. That's because all 4 aces have become entangled with the ace of spades. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's all 4 aces. Definitely some spooky action at a distance.